at the club. Your hips have got me feeling, body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's some.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 4-week update on my edges after using rice water. Yeah, so I'm just gonna talk about my experience a little bit and how I have been, using the rice water. So I noticed like a month ago that when my hair was wet, I noticed that I had like really sparse patches in the front, and I don't know exactly how those came to be. I don't know if it's stress or tension related, but I just knew that we can have that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what my edges look like now. So pretty much all of the sparse parts have begun to fill back in. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah. So how I made my rice water, okay, so the first time I made the rice water, I made it in a bowl, and then I let that bowl sit for like 2 hours. I didn't do the full 24 hours. I let it sit in the bowl for 2 hours, and then I strained the rice and put the rice water into a spray bottle, and I added peppermint oil. So I know my edges are sticking up, don't mind that. I put into a container, a spray bottle with peppermint oil, and so I sprayed it on. I would wear twists. I sprayed it on pretty much every day, sometimes morning and night, massage it in, and then also massage Jamaican black castor oil into my edges. So now I'm pretty much at the end of the bottle. So these are the results after 4 weeks, and I'm pretty happy about it. I have no complaints. The smell wasn't that bad once I added the essential oils. So yeah, I hope this video helps somebody, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.